You got people looking at you. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Explains a lot, guys. Hi y'all, welcome back to BADLOCALSISTERS with the underscore. Anyway, so today is a brand new video today. As you guys can see as the title, I'm going hiking for the first time by myself. Okay, I never did that before. Yeah, hope you guys like it. Hope you guys want to see me. I have sandals on, but I'm gonna put my shoes on. And yeah, it's just me and Brianna.
The rate today on our 3-year fixed-rate mortgage is 3.375%. APR
Alright, so we'll see you guys later.
Right now could be
Later! Yeah, spread that. Yeah.
You got the lighters here?
No one really cares. Go hiking in a minute. This road. Where's Bro? Yeah. Hi guys. Bye guys. We're off with Dad's phone. Yeah, me too.
Well, Chad, listen to music, right? Don't let that fall.
These are my soda?
Chad has it.
Oh, this is enough.
More than enough.
Brownie, you want one?
Hey, don't let him spill it.
I didn't have enough. Today's a relaxing day again.
That's how it's supposed to be, everything. Here, you got the butter? Just like slap it on top. Put it up there when it gets on the grill. Push that back. Pull it back. Pull it back. Don't be scared.
I'm not, I just don't want it to fly.
Yeah, leave it.
Oh, you took that seasoning I told you?
Try it.
See, look at this.
Come on, you gotta see. Well, I want you to put it on face. My face on live, see?
No, that one's gonna get changed.
Lobster tails, baby.
Wait, don't you have to? Okay.
Don't have to what?
Take that out, right?
No, leave that.
Leave that. Let that cook. I want to put the shrimps in there.
But let that cook first.
Stop, buddy. Buddy. Water. Don't you want to dance with me? There we go. I'm gonna show you. You going wrong?
See the picture.
Bye.
That's good. Look at these up. You see your father? You see your father? Oh, look at that.
You got people looking at you. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Explains a lot, guys.
What's this, 12.9?
No, thank you. I already ate one.
Wow.
Ooh.
Plate. Bunch of plates.
All right.
Yeah, here, man.
Thank you. Oh, this look extremely. Okay, that's blurry. Let me do it again. Look it up. Come on, come on. I can show another one. Stop. Move. Uh-huh. Here you go. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm still wondering about the here. They don't. We just started. Alright guys, so we're walking. Tell them. When we first got there, she wants to give up. I did. And I paid $6 for that. $6. See, people, if they can do it, we can do it. Oh, sorry. No. I'll tell you to move. Alright, here we go. We're going to show you guys when we get sort of up there. This hurts. This is so... Hurry up! You can wait. There's two paths. This way. No. Oh. Watch this be the harder path. Watch this be the harder path. Oh god. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's just be the harder path. Come on, hurry up. That's sick! I'm scared. I am scared. Come on. Come on. Oh, this does look easy. Remember that? Go, go. Oh, go, go. This ain't easy. You gotta come back down. Hurry up. Which way? You sure? Come on, hurry up. Oh, sure. I'm about to stop. This is... No. Brianna, come here. What are you doing?
Too hot.
Ooh, look at that. That's really pretty. Remember Dad took a picture here? I remember this spot.
There.
Oh, yeah, come on.
Wait.
Come on, loser. Come here. Loser. Look at all this stuff you gotta go through.
I can't do it.
I'm scared.
Definitely scared.
I'm scared. Call Samaya and tell her. You know we have to come back down this, right?
I know. That's not gonna be that scary.
Come in.
Up it is kind of scary.
Oh. Oh my god. Brianna, it's me.
Hi, sire.
I really gotta edit this video. Man, why we pick this route?
I don't know.
How would we find an easier route? Okay, come on. Come on. We make it.
You should go on the road.
No. Brianna, come here. Look at Brianna. Yeah, you're right. Lean this way. Like towards the rock. I don't care if I fall on knees. Come on.
2:30. We start about 2:50.
Can you do it before me?
We made it now.
We made it. We made it.
See the mountain?
Hey, say bye, Bri.
Bye.
Alright, hold on, let me come over here, cause oh my god, I'm about to fall. Oof.
I thought it was like one of those things.
Bye guys, I'll see you guys next time. That means tomorrow. See you another day. Day 4 tomorrow, I think. Look
A
at me.
bucket list?
Today is day 4 because I did hiking.
Okay, so what's a bucket list for tomorrow?
I don't know, I gotta figure it out. Bye.